Hello mga amiga, good morning. So paingon mi sa appointment karon ni court. Si Kuya Scott kay paingon sa trabahoan. Si hi. Paingon mi karon sa appointment.
Lock the door.
Ha? Ano man eh? Okay.
Lock the door.
Mm.
Lock the door.
Mm. So manglakaw na ta mga amiga. Buta na dana ang kwan di. Kwarta, buta na dana. Bitak. Dili na mo.
My phone.
Ha, sa yung phone mo.
You need it?
What? The guy in.
Na, ato
No,
mo sa Walmart pag-abot.
Yeah, to Walmart.
Na may wifi sa Walmart.
Mm.
Go. Let's go. Put your seatbelt on.
I know, bro. Wala ni kwan to sa kwan, Scott.
La.
Let's go.
No, my phone.
Go.
Asa man mong kunin mo?
Hmm?
Apaw. Porong.
Wait.
There's no card.
Keep going. No card. There. Go. Stop. Go.
Bless us, Lord. Thank you.
Kapag tayo na yung gas ganyan.
Ha?
Kanasa ka na. Kabot mo na sa 29.
Kabot po siguro na eh. Ingon si Mr. Lee, ato lang magabot sa kwan?
Walmart.
Walmart?
You gonna drop me off because I have work.
Okay.
Diyan niya mananig light kini diato tong yellow. Remember?
Oh,
Mana tug tao diyan na. Niya di
Okay.
katong sa diato. Atol lang duha ka light niya tawad sa kuan.
okay kuya.
Ing na ba check na niya balikan tong yellow light basta mo tagitaw na tarong
Okay.
black.
Ay, kung mag copyright ko diha. Nag-video ba ako?
Boots with your Nikes, that's crazy, bro. I tell you to wear that boots, boy.
Matagap ng cellphone ako.
No, di mo na matagag ka na. Kung matagag na yung cellphone nila, bakit
Wala ko nagbunit kay maguba akong hairstyle.
kung matagag ka ng cellphone, bati ka ng driver. Ma,
Ha?
kung matagag ka ng cellphone, bati ka ng driver. Ikaw. Make sure you don't drop the phone.
You know why I passed the test? Because I only 3 times. Ituluan ako 3 hours ra ang kwan everyone once a week ra.
Naimpita ka niyo.
Yes sir.
Kasi madakpan taon niya.
Because kabalon ako sa kuan. Ingon gali si katong instructor nako isa nga, are you already a driver? Oh, no sir. But I'm a driver with tricycle driver. I'm already a motorbike driver.
Yeah.
Si Katumba.
Eh,
it's not Wang Wang, right? So
Wait, you know how to ride a motorbike? Ma?
what?
Do you know how to ride a motorbike?
What do you mean? Yeah.
Motorbike? You know motorbike in the Philippines, you know?
Yeah. Can you drive a fast one?
Yeah, I do. From the house into the airport, I did that, and then I was kuan.
Then you crashed.
No, I even drank that time. Like I raced with that big truck at the 4 o'clock in the morning.
Wait, does your motorbike go fast?
What?
I remember that Hello Kitty.
Huh?
Hello Kitty motorbike. Put it.
Yeah. Hindi ko kalimot ana.
Yeah, me
Ning
too.
ning saka ko sa kuan. Ning saka ko sa sana.
Yan ang maridari.
Ning saka ko sa kanang ning kasta ko sa kanang tricycle.
Just jump me up right over. Yan eh. No, stop right here, bro.
Okay, kuya. Bye. Ipapilit ra na diha ang kuan.
God, bro.
Bye, kuya. I love you, kuya.
Bye.
Drop your hat.
Oh, solid.
Wow, you don't turn off the
He dropped the hat.
No, no. No, Ma.
Let's go.
Turn off the sleeper.
Yeah, it's very loud. No wonder. It's very loud.
Bro, turn it off. Ma, you wanna go to the thing?
What thing?
Bro, you remember you said where's that thing? Like we went over there. Like it looked like an Asian store, but it's like some Asian stuff from the Asian store, right?
Where is that?
You don't remember?
No.
I forgot it called grocery store. I don't know.
Usahay, di ani man agi ang shuttle bus.
Yeah.
Ani ta agi sa highway because
Ma, do you like the long traffic? Do you know how to do long traffic?
what do you mean?
Like traffic, like a big traffic. Traffic.
I'm not sure yet. I need to Hanas first.
Bella don't want to do that.
Yeah, he's scared. No, I've been to West Virginia. That is the go on, that is the highway.
Yeah, you
The
went to
4-lane. I
Morgantown,
already
right?
went to the 4-lane.
You know what's the easy?
What?
If you see a little gap, go to the lane.
Yeah.
Then if you see like a gap, then turn. If you see a gap, then turn.
Where's my phone, Kurt? Oh, it's over there.
Oh, you forgot. That car is going to the
Pagkadugay.
You have to
Okay.
look for those cars.
Nagilo na.
Yeah, wait.
Oh,
Huh?
oh.
What?
Sa tunga rata.
Oh, Ma!
Hmm.
Oh, never mind.
Paingon matangad to.
I thought that was Walmart over there.
So, hapit kami sa Walmart mga amiga. So, street rata. Street rata.
No,
Kaya arita mo kuan hapit sa saan eh?
we're going to the right.
Yeah.
We're going right, Ma.
No, we're going there.
That's the
Ato ta paingon sa kuan sa
that's the long spot.
no, ato ta sa automobile dapit.
No, it's the Bob.
No, it's not Bob. Is this the shuttle bus?
Mm-hmm.
No, it's I don't think
Fast
so.
bus. Imagine that was Bob and he saw we have a car.
Okay. Automotive, direta. Now where? Asa ta dapit?
Yeah.
Lawa ko na court. Good? Yeah. We're good. Good? We're good? Okay. Okay, we're here na mga amiga. Jeez. Para pang move kan.
Ma.
Okay.
Ma.
Okay.
Ma.
Okay.
Which one is for the like the thing?
Okay, let's go.
Oh,
Yeah.
wait, look it.
Lock.
There you go.
Okay. Muari ta sa automobile. I'll see you later mga amiga. Kaya kung tawagan si Kwan, si Tiguang.